Are you using the ReadSpeaker text-to-speech functionality within your Canvas learning management system at your educational institution? ReadSpeaker is an online-based tool that has been embedded into the Canvas environment, where you can listen while reading along in the various areas of your course. You can find the ReadSpeaker Listen Activation tab on the left side of your screen. Click on the Activation tab so you can read content, assignments, discussions, classic quizzes, grades, and more. Click Listen to hear the page read to you. Let's listen.
Each person has different learning preferences.
With the ReadSpeaker player, you can set your individual preferences. Click on Settings. Set your word and sentence highlighting colors, reading speed, text settings, font size, font, and text colors. Change voices. Let's select Bridget. Let's listen.
Each person has different learning preferences.
You can use enlarged text, a page mask. Download an MP3 file to listen to your lessons on the go. Use text mode and change the screen size for easier reading. Translate words or phrases into another language and hear them read to you in the translated language. Let's translate the phrase, listen to information, into Spanish.
Escuchar información.
Look up words in a dictionary. Let's look up the word, institution. Notice that it is a noun, has several definitions and examples. Listening while reading has been shown to increase comprehension and retention of information. Let's read and listen to some STEAM content.
The square root of x minus 2 equals 21. The integral sub 2 to the 5 x dx. Ch sub 3, ch sub 2. OH is the chemical formula for ethanol.
OCR text on images using the snapshot tool.
15. Gallbladder.
You can read documents. Click on the icon that is a sheet of paper with a speaker. Expand the lower toolbar and click on Settings. Select your reading speed. Automatically change pages. Remember your toolbar state. And adjust your highlighting and text settings. Use a page mask. A reading ruler. Use a highlighter with borders to take notes, and then download them for future use. Download your file to MP3s. Download your document. Print. And change voices. Remember you can read EPUBs, Office documents, PowerPoints, Excel, plain text, and rich text files. Take your classic quizzes using the ReadSpeaker web reader. Notice we don't have the download as MP3, dictionary, and translate tools turned on in quizzes. Let's listen to this first question.
Which of the following tools are found in WebReader? Group of answer choices. Page mask. Click and listen. Reading voice. Reading ruler. Settings.
And we know the answer is page mask, click and listen, reading voice, and settings. You can read new quizzes and websites using the TextAid extension. Let's listen to this new quiz drag and drop question. Use the snapshot to read the stem.
Place items in the correct category.
Use the snapshot tool to read each of the categories.
Plant. Animal.
We will only read one of the answers.
Poinsettia.
Drag the poinsettia answer to the plant category. You will want to utilize these tools that are at your fingertips. For more information, click the Get Started button at www.readspeaker.com/canvas and fill out the contact form.